Dalawa pang advertisers o sponsors ang sumuporta sa Filipino Academy of Movie and Science o FAMAS Awards. Ang naturang taunang FAMAS Awards Night ay mapapanood rito sa telebisyon ng bayan. Narito ang report ni Kristen Zulueta.
Ganap na nga ang suportang makukuha ng Filipino Academy of Movie Arts and Science o FAMAS sa dalawa pa nitong sponsors na kamakailan lang ay lumagda ng kontrata, ang Royal Brands Corporation at BioEssence.
BioEssence chose FAMAS because FAMAS has a credibility.
I believe that FAMAS could help us, jumpstart this great opportunity for our product.
Ang BioEssence ay itinatag may 18 taon nang nakalilipas. Sa kasalukuyan ay meron na silang 50 branches nationwide at patuloy lang ang kanilang pamamayagpag sa beauty and skincare industry.
BioEssence edge over the other beauty clinics is that when you enter our spa, a consultant would take care of your needs. They will first analyze, and when they analyze what you need, they will diagnose a certain program, a treatment, and then that treatment is composed of like 5 or 10 treatments to assure the client of its efficiency and effectivity.
Ang Royal Brands Corporation naman ay itinatag nito lamang 2011 at ang pangunahin nilang produkto ay mga panangkap pampasarap o condiments na mainam sa kalusugan.
Royal Brands fish sauce is actually the first of its kind. It's the first healthy patis, which I always say, because why? It has low sodium, it has no preservatives and no artificial flavor. Any age, any person who is a health buff can enjoy the beauty of our product.
Kaya naman, para sa lahat ng gustong mapanatili ang likas nilang ganda at malusog nilang pangangatawan,
Healthy patis, so I invite everyone to explore, experience, and enjoy Royal Brands fish sauce.
For those who are health conscious and who focus on loving yourself and taking care of oneself, please come visit BioEssence.
ang formal ngang pakikipagsanib ng Royal Brands Corporation at BioEssence sa pamunuan ng FAMAS bilang paghahanda sa gaganaping 60th FAMAS Gabi ng Parangal ay tunay ngang magdudulot ng karagdagang kasiyahan sa lahat ng mga magsisipagdalo sa nasabing pagtitipon. Gaganapin ang 60th FAMAS Gabi ng Parangal sa darating na September 25, 2012 sa Manila Hotel at isa sa himpapawid naman ito ng PTV4 sa October 6, 2012. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Christine Zulueta.